Hello student, we discuss here IUPAC naming of aromatic compound. 23 IUPAC naming we will discuss here. I am Veena Dixit. Very important chapter we are doing. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Here it will be 10, 11, 12 need for every exam. Level 1 to level 3. First of all, you have to write down 23 benzene ring. 23 benzene ring. Now, one benzene ring, this is C6H6 benzene. Okay. Now, one H is replaced by CH3. Then it is become toluene. Now, aniline, NH2 group is introduced, then it is called aniline. When OH group is introduced, we call it phenol. When OCH3 group is introduced here, so this become ether and this is called anisole. When OC2H5 is added to it, so we call it phenetol. This is also ether. ROR grouping is there. So both of them are ether, anisole and phenetol. Now when CH double bond CH2 are linked with this is called styrene and phenylethene. This is the IUPAC naming. Styrene is common name. And here this is acetophenone. For acetophenone, what we have to do? We have to use COCH3. Okay, this is keto group, this is methyl phenyl ketone, so acetophenone. Now if we will use here CO and again one benzene ring, or I will write down C6H5. Here I have written CH3, so it is acetophenone. When C6H5 will be there, so it will be benzophenone. This is diphenyl ketone. Two phenyl groups are there, diphenyl ketone. And here one phenyl group and one methyl group is there, so it is methyl phenyl ketone. This is diphenyl ketone. Okay, C double bond O keto group is there. Now benzaldehyde. What you have to do? Add formyl group, that is CHO group, aldehyde group. So it is become benzaldehyde. Now benzoic acid. What we have to do? We add COH group, carboxylic group. So it is benzoic acid. And then benzoyl chloride. So what we have to do? Here I will write down COCl. COCl is benzoyl group. Now when benzamide is there, so what we have to do? CONH2 group will be there. COH is benzoic acid. COCl is benzoyl chloride. CONH2 is benzamide. Remember, sometimes benzene carboxamide IUPAC naming is given, but in aromatic, benzamide will be also okay. Now benzonitrile, it means here C triple bond and cyano group is attached. This is phenyl cyanide or benzonitrile. Then nitrobenzene, only NO2 group is added. Chlorobenzene, Cl group is added here with benzene ring. Br group is added to bromobenzene. Clear? Now we will go for the next. Benzoyl chloride, COCl. Benzyl chloride, CH2Cl. Chlorobenzene, Cl, isopropyl grouping, and here benzyl alcohol, CH2OH.